let's learn how you can post a live photo on your Instagram profile. So let's open our Instagram application. You want to click on this plus icon in the middle, so this post thing. Now you want to click on recent, then click all albums, scroll down and find live photos. Now select that option, then you want to scroll and look through your live photos and select which live photo you want. So I will take this one. Now when you select the live photo, you want to click on this photo and arrow in this top right corner under this X sign, as you can see here, and just click on loop. So this will enable this motion video, and as you can see here, it's no longer a photo and it will act like a video. Yeah, you can just now go next, continue next, and post it. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.